So this is an error question here. So we've got some situations here, some journals that have been posted here. Which ones cause an imbalance in the trial balance, and which ones don't cause an imbalance in the trial balance? So you've got 4 marks for here. Probably get that finished in about 3 minutes. Come back in 3 minutes. Okay, so that's coming up to time now. If you haven't finished it, you can spend a little bit more time on this one and pause it, but let's go through the answers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going through the only question that you don't really have a technique for in the Principles of Bookkeeping Controls unit is the remember what the payments method question is there. Everything else has a technique, so I'm going to go through exactly that will mean that you'll always pass and get everything right. So what I do is I set up what should be the journal and what I did, and when I don't get a number, I just invent it, and I actually sort of stick to like hundreds, what have you. So I sort of make them very simple numbers really in here, and when I get the actual number, then I put them in, and that means that I can sort of see what's going on with the debits and credits really. So here we go. The cash sales has been recorded in the sales and VAT current only. So I should have gone debit bank 120, credit VAT 20, credit sales 100. So that's what I should have done. This is why I say put some numbers in there. These are the simple numbers that we can have here, and what I actually did was this here, so I forgot about the bank one, and so that caused an imbalance. And the reason why I say do it like this is under pressure in the exam here, this will hold up always. You'll never make a mistake really. Purchase of a new computer is recorded in this office expenses account. All of the entries were correct. So that one was, instead of debit the computer, it was actually debit the expense, but it's still 100, and credit the bank 100 there though. Okay, so that one will not cause an imbalance in there. That's an error of principle. Instead of being recorded as an asset, it's recorded as an expense, which affects capital, your shareholder capital. So a reduction in the shareholder capital really that's available for them, rather than an asset there. So that's an example of an error of principle here. Back's payments to a credit supplier was debited to the bank account instead of credited to the purchase purchase ledger and credit to the purchase ledger account. So it should have been debit the purchase ledger account, credit bank. Instead we went debit bank 100, credit purchase ledger control account 100. So an example of reversal of entries. So that's the error there. We can see that it will not cause an imbalance, this journal here, and that's why putting little numbers in there always holds up. The cash payment of 56, we've got some numbers in this one. Cash payment of 56 for stationery has been recorded in the cash account as 65. All other entries were correct, so we should have gone debit 56, credit 56, and so we went debit 65, credit 56, so that one will cause an imbalance.